Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. MCQ questions on environmental science. Those who are preparing for KSET 2025, this video is helpful for them. So the first question: the Millennium Development Goals were adopted in which year? So Millennium Development Goals na ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು? So 1995, 2000, 2005 and 2010 ಅಂತಿದೆ. The right answer option B 2000 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು. So more next question. What was the target year to achieve the MDGs? 2010, 2012, 15 and 2020 ಅಂತಿದೆ. The target year is 2015 is the right answer. More next question. Which of the following is not an MDGs? So ಕೆಳಗಿನವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಯಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. This is the Millennium Development Goal, and achieve a universal primary education. This is also Millennium Development Goal. And option D, promote gender equality and empower women. This is also Millennium Development Goal. So option C, combat climate change. This is not a Millennium Development Goal. So the answer is C is the right answer. Next question: which MDG aimed to reduce the child mortality? So goal 3, goal 4, goal 5 and 6 ಅಂತಿದೆ. So option B is the right answer. More next question. Which of the following organization played a major role in monitoring MDGs? World Bank, IMF, United Nations and WTO ಅಂತಿದೆ. The right answer option C, United Nations is the right answer. Next question. Millennium Development Goals primarily focused on which group of countries? Millennium Development Goals ಯಾವ ದೇಶಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಬೋತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ G20 ನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ MDGs primarily focused on which group of countries ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ is the right one. So option B is the right answer. Thank you.